Okay, so today we're diving into something that I feel like I see everywhere online. These ads for a drop shipping platform called Sellvia.
Hmm.
And the promise is, I mean, it's huge, right? Start a business for free and make thousands a month.
Right, that's the classic hook. It sounds like the dream for anyone wanting to get into e-commerce.
It really does.
Yeah.
It sounds almost too good to be true. So that's our mission for this deep dive.
Right.
Is this the real deal, or is it just a really, really good marketing pitch?
Okay, let's unpack this
Oh,
because you immediately have this fundamental tension between a legitimate business tool on one side and these, ubiquitous, almost unrealistic income promises on the other.
so first things first, before we even talk about money or success, is this even a real company? Is it an outright scam?
Well, the sources are pretty conclusive on that. It is a legitimate company, not a scam.
Okay, so it isn't vaporware. This is a functioning system.
Not at all. And what's fascinating here is just how long they've been operating. We're talking 8 years.
8 years is a long time in this space.
It really is. And you can see that reflected in the metrics. You look at a site like Scam Advisor, which is designed to filter out these fly-by-night operations, and Sellvia gets a high trust score. And then there's Trustpilot. Over 1,000 reviews, and it holds a pretty solid 4.1 star rating.
4.1. Okay, that's respectable. That moves the conversation away from, is this fake? And more toward, well, how does it actually function?
Exactly. The foundation is real, so the real question becomes about the functionality
Yeah.
and, the cost.
Right. And this is where it gets really interesting for me. That huge word in their marketing, free.
Yeah.
What does free actually mean here?
Yeah, this is the crucial part. The sources make a very clear distinction. The free start is basically a sandbox.
A sandbox, what do you mean?
You get all the tools to design your business.
Yeah.
You can access their product catalog, use the software, build your storefront, make it look perfect.
But you can't sell anything.
That's the catch. To actually open the doors, to connect to their warehouse and start selling to customers, you have to upgrade. You must be on a paid plan.
Ah, okay. So it's like they give you all the blueprints and all the materials to build a house for free,
Right.
but you have to pay them a monthly fee to get the key to the front door.
That's a perfect analogy. And this brings up a really important question when you're evaluating any platform like this. How clear is that transition from the free trial to the paid service?
I see. And I imagine that's where a lot of user frustration comes from.
Absolutely. The frustration isn't that you have to pay, it's that the paid plan is required for the most basic sales functionality, not just for, advanced features.
So let's pivot to that other huge claim, making thousands a month. Is that outcome actually achievable, especially since we now know it's a paid service?
It's possible, but this is where we have to dismantle that magical money machine idea.
Right.
The sources are very upfront about this. Success is not guaranteed, and it's tied to what they call a ton of work on your end.
And what does that ton of work really mean? We're not just talking about writing good product descriptions, are we?
Yeah. No, not at all. It's almost entirely about marketing, and specifically paid marketing.
So running Facebook ads, Google ads, that sort of thing.
Exactly. Sellvia provides the tool, the products, the fast shipping. But the heavy lifting, the part that actually costs you money day to day, is ad spend. You have to bring the customers to the store.
If you stop spending on ads, your sales just stop.
You just dry up. So it's a legitimate tool, but it requires a pretty substantial and recurring investment in advertising to even get close to those income claims.
So for you listening, the key takeaways are pretty clear. This is a paid service after that initial setup, and if you're looking for truly free, effortless income, this isn't it.
So what does this all mean? I mean, Sellvia is a valid starting point for an e-commerce business, but only if you accept those two big conditions. You have to pay for the platform, and you have to be ready to spend time and, more importantly, money on marketing.
Right. And that leaves us with a final provocative thought for you to mull over. If a platform promises you can make thousands a month, knowing full well that almost all of that success depends on you spending your own money on marketing that's completely outside their ecosystem, how much weight should you really assign to that initial free promise?